Beginning in Android 6 Marshmallow, users grant permissions to apps while the app is running, not when they install the app. This approach gives the user more control over the app's functionality. Thus, he could choose to give the access to read contacts, but not to the device location, for example. Furthermore, user can revoke the permissions at any time by going to the app's settings screen. System permissions are divided into two categories, normal and dangerous. Normal permissions are granted automatically. For dangerous permissions, the user has to give approval to your app at one time. The theory is done, so you can start the practice. Imagine we want to read contacts of the user in an application. We create a button, a read contact button, and to manage the button click, we create a method. First, we check the permission, the read contact permission. If permission has already been granted, you can use the feature that read contacts. If not, you have to request for permissions with a custom request code named myPermissions request read contact here. Like our activity extends app compact activity, don't forget to use activity compact static method. So we request permission. By calling the request permissions method. If the permission has already been granted, we can call the read contact feature. Note that when your app calls the request permissions, the system shows a standard dialog box to user that cannot be customized. Now you need to handle the permissions request response by overriding the onRequest permissions result method. Check the request code that must be equal to myPermissions request read contact request code. In the grant results array, you have the result of your request. So we check if the permission has been granted. If the answer is yes, you can call the read contact feature. If permission is denied, check if you can explain to user why the permission is needed by calling should show request permission rationale for the given permission. If you must explain to user why the permission is needed, show permission explanation dialog. Simple alert dialog, for example, with some text. Like that. If you are here, never ask again has been checked. Our device policy forbids the app from having that permission. You must disable that feature and show a dialog to user explaining the feature is disabled, with an alert dialog, for example. User should go on settings to grant the permission for your application later. Note that you can't manage other permission requests in the switch by using other request code. Don't forget to declare the read contact permission in Android manifest. Now we can try the application in the emulator to check the behavior when you click on the read contact button.